Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We're back out here in the warehouse. Today we're going to be talking about our autofill that we have by Korky. So this is the QuietFill. What this does is it goes in your swimming pool and keeps your water level consistent. I also have what's usually built into your pool here. This is the autofill canister that usually comes built into your pool. This would lead in past the shell of the pool where your water is. I'm over here swimming. All right. So here's the autofill. I'm going to show you how this works here. Comes with a bunch of little nifty gifties that you don't really need quite for this application. But you open this up and you pull out this hose that you do need. And this goes right here. If you can see that, installs right on that barb there. And it's a lot easier when it's warm like it is here in Phoenix. If it gets cold, those are pretty snug and difficult to put on. But then you just tilt this guy down. Something neat about this is it gives you a line right here. Might be very difficult to see, but it says water level. So that's telling you where your water level is going to be. So once this gets installed inside your water level here, this is telling you where, as you move it up and down, your water level is going to be in the swimming pool. So this would just go through the deck in your swimming pool, go down to the bottom where it threads in there. You can see they give you a lot of threads. And they do not give you a lot of threads. So you do not have to bury this thing all the way down to this rubber stopper. This goes in here and it twists just a few times. Once that gets snug, you're going to go ahead and stop. Once it's snug there, to adjust the height, you're going to rotate it to the left. You can set that like we were talking about with the water level. You're going to set that wherever is appropriate. Twist it to the right. That's going to lock it into place. You're going to feel it click. And then you are good to go. Obviously, you need to shut off the water to this before you do any kind of replacements or anything like that. But that's going to keep your water level. Hopefully yours at your house does not have this giant hole in it. This is just a display model. But there's essentially how the water leveler works. We have lots of these in stock on the website, ePoolSupply.com, or down at the warehouse here, 2710 West Bell. We'd love to see you. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We'll see you in the next video.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.